Hey bud, this one's for you. Here's the setup. Function generator. Same circuit as before, NPN. Nothing big powering it. Got a wall hog, 12 volts, 1 amp. Plugging that sucker in. And I'm going to turn it up and watch what happens. Oh, okay. Let's do this slightly different. I'll hold it. Did you catch that? Okay, here's 2 volts, 3, 4, 5. Keeps wanting to go up. I can feel the vibration on this little piece of foam here. I'll turn it down. And the hertz that I'm using is 261. I put a neodymium magnet underneath, just something normal. Can't get it too close to the camera, of course. Put the coil down. Let's see that again. Turn it up, 261 hertz. She wants to go. Let's see if I can balance that up. I'll walk away. Isn't that awesome? We're talking nothing for input. Have a good one.